How to make money with Clickbank. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So Clickbank basically provides you the affiliate links, and you can provide these links in your various social media platforms, and after that you will be able to make money if someone buys any product using your link. So how to get that particular link? So first of all, you will have to get into your Clickbank account. You can just simply create an account on Clickbank. It is quite easy, and after that go to the affiliate marketplace. Wait for it to load, and over here you will find different categories. Like, you will also be able to find the top offers or new offers, and the categories are health and fitness, business and e-marketing, and spirituality, self-help. There are many other categories as well. You can select any of the category as per your particular niche on a particular platform or as per your interest. Suppose you're into the health and fitness, then you can just simply click on this option of health and fitness in order to get all the affiliate links associated with this particular niche. So I would just click on this option of health and fitness, and after that I will be able to see a lot of different niches or the links over here. I can just promote any of the product, and all I have to do is just create a hop link, and I will be able to promote that particular product on my platform. So suppose I want to promote this product, so all I have to do is just click on this option of promote, and here I will have to enter my nickname, and then transaction ID is completely optional. So just click on this option of create hop link, and as soon as you click on this particular option of create hop link, you will be able to find this particular link. Now just copy this link, and now just promote this particular link. You can add it in your YouTube video if you are promoting this particular product using YouTube, or you can also add it on your Instagram bio in case if you are promoting it using your Instagram. You can also promote it on TikTok, or the other ways are that you create a landing page, and on that particular landing page you can promote this particular link and the product, and any person who buys using your link, you get the commission out of it. So the initial conversion gets you $148.54, and if the recurring bill is there, like someone subscribed to this particular product on a monthly basis and there is a recurring bill, then you would be making $16.34 per recurring bill. So this is quite huge. Like, even if one person converts using your link, you will be making this much money per month. And there are some other products as well, and you can promote them according to their parameters. There are different parameters to it, like the gravity score, and like one of the parameters is gravity score, and you can utilize this gravity score in order to promote the product according to your needs and requirements. And this is one of the best way to make money using Clickbank. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.